Big dog status, Bill Hubble. A ball in his mouth for my brothers. Go your bag, told the.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy 36J. We back with another fire banger. So in today's video, I'm going to be painting my intake manifold. Let me show y'all. All right. So I'm gonna be painting the top of this. I don't know. I've kind of always wanted to add like a splash of color in the engine bay, just because I don't know. It just feels. I feel like it looks just so plain and so regular. So why not be one of the first people to paint their intake manifold? Because I think it'll look pretty cool. Normally, some people end up painting what's it called, like the engine bay, like the engine cover, like this thing right here. So most people paint this, but I mean, I don't have mine on there. So I was like, why not just paint the intake manifold? So let's see how this goes. But if you are new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe for your boy. We are on the road to 2,500 subs. Make sure you go enter in the giveaway. I'll leave the link to the giveaway video in the description below. That way y'all can see. And let's get right into the video. Y'all know, it's not that video without that start. It's the first start of the day. It's like 90 degrees. Woo! Sound good. Yes, sir. That forest carbon look tough, bro. God. But I think I'm gonna end up painting it like, I don't know, I think orange or yellow or something that goes along with the car. So I don't know, I just think it look pretty cool. I haven't seen nobody else do this. I've seen most of the people paint like the engine bay cover, but I don't know, maybe this might be like a new trend for the V6 people to start painting their intake manifold to add a splash of color. So whatever color I paint my engine, intake manifold, I'll probably end up painting my calipers or a color that can go along with that, because I still haven't painted my brake calipers. So that'll be another video, but I'm gonna end up painting my brake calipers and respraying my wheels also, because they just look dull, and I just want a brand new color and a brand new look on them. But today's gonna be a smooth little vlog. This is gonna be like, I don't know, like I don't even know what I'm gonna title this video. Probably just like painting my intake manifold. I don't know. We gonna see how this goes, but I'm gonna pick up the camera once we get up to the store. All right, y'all. So we just got to the store. Now I'm trying to figure out what color do I want. I don't know. I'm kind of leaning towards like an orange like this, or something like, I don't know. I'm kind of liking the orange feel right now, but I'm gonna test a few of these out, and then we'll see which one I get. All right, y'all. So I think I'm gonna get this one. This is kind of how the orange looks right here. So I think it'll make it pop out a lot more. So I'm gonna grab this and head back to the car. All right, y'all, just got the handy dandy paint. So let's see how this goes. This Lexus right here is tough though. Hold on. Like this color on this Lex, what is this, an IS 350? That shit nice. Got the 6 over there looking good. Get that little start real quick. Nice little subtle, nice and quiet. So we got the spray paint. So now we're gonna head over to the crib, and this will be my first time ever painting intake manifold. So we'll get it all taped off and everything good, and we're gonna paint this thing. So take the camera once you get over to the house. So we just got to the house. I'm gonna leave the hood open for a while, and I'm gonna clean the manifold itself. So I'm gonna show you all what I want to paint. So I want to paint mostly like the top of this, really. I don't really want to paint like down here and all that, but I'm gonna get like a trash bag, and like I'm gonna just like cover the entire engine bay. That way just this black right here is exposed. That way I don't paint nothing that shouldn't be painted or whatever. But I don't know, I think it's gonna come out pretty good. So I'm gonna let this car cool down for a little bit, and then I'm gonna start painting.
Time waits for no man, we on the clock. Impatient, I keep staring at my watch. They say patience is a virtue. I'm virtually running off no sleep, cause time's a precious commodity. Don't waste it. I've been thinking lately, if we only live once, then every day we wake up, we must appreciate it. Common sense, right? Yet we live like we have 100 years or better to get right. But the reality is we should live every day as if tomorrow isn't promised today. Cliche, but I can see the truth within. It makes sense. In the blink of an eye, our time could end. So more.
All right, so I got it taped off to the best of my ability. I want to cover like a majority of like the under side of this, but it looks pretty good and taped off now. Now I'm gonna take like the paper towel with some surface cleaner, and I'm like gonna wipe down, because it's still like dusty and stuff right here. So I'm gonna wipe that stuff down, then I'm gonna get to painting. Bro, trying to do this in like 90-degree weather is terrible. Like, this shit is hot, bro. But pick up the camera once I get this all cleaned up. So I got most of it cleaned off. I ended up putting some paper towels here and here and here because I don't know. I didn't want it to get all in there. So now I'm about to start spraying. So I don't know. Leave in the comments down below how y'all feel about this. I think it's gonna look pretty cool with just the orange on there. But I'm gonna pick up the camera once it's all done and sprayed. So I got the first layer on there. It doesn't look too bad. I actually kind of like it. Like, it actually looks like really cool. Makes it like pop a lot more, but I'm gonna let the second coat dry, then I'm gonna apply the second coat. I'm gonna let this first coat dry, I'm sorry. I'm gonna let this first coat dry, then I would do the second coat. All right, so now I'm gonna add this second coat, and I think that should be it. I'm gonna have the second coat be a little heavier than the first coat, but let's see how this goes. I think it looks pretty fire so far. Leave in the comments what y'all think.
Crazy, I'm like, come on with it. We on the rise to the top. There ain't no stopping now. I'm watching them out what I got. Nobody coming to save, but we killing them all, baby.
All right, and that'll be the last coat. So now I'm just gonna let this dry. I have some black spray paint. I kind of want to do like the little like sprinkles on it. I think it looks pretty cool so far. So I think I might add the little black sprinkles over it, and then after that I'm gonna take this off and let this thing dry. All right, y'all, see I added the little black little speckles on there. That shit looks tough. Like, I don't know, I like this a lot, but I'm about to take these plastics, like garbage bags off, and we're gonna take it off and see how it looks. All right, y'all, so it is done, and I really like how this looks. It definitely makes the car pop a lot more. Are y'all ready to see it? See it in 1, 2, 3. That is tough. I like how the little black speckles are on there. Probably gonna fix that. That's where I like the tape, but it didn't get on too much stuff that I didn't want it to. I mean, it came out pretty good. Like, it came out not too bad. So I think it looks cool. I say this is definitely like a must. I'm probably gonna end up cleaning up, like painting along there, make it a little bit more neat. Probably do that like off camera. Make it look a lot better, but I really like how this looks. And also leave in the comments what color I should paint my calipers. So since my manifold is orange, I think my calipers orange would look pretty badass too, because I think I like the side skirts being orange and red. So leave in the comments what should I color my brake calipers, because that just makes the car look like so much more clean inside the engine bay. Like, that shit is tough. I don't know, I think this is definitely like a good interior, I guess, like mod that you can do for your Charger, because I don't know, this gives like an extra splash. But now I'm gonna cue the B-roll
and make a name at the same time. They won't forget me. Back in the day, I hit the corner like Toyotas drifting numbers, mold the different numbers. Born in the Motor City. It's not easy, it's copy to make it flip. The cops will be on the block when you profiting from the shit. Clients you gonna get are so addicted to this, they'll sell your whole life to you and bring the kids as a gift. Shit, they'll probably let you take the whip if you ask, but if there's competition, they might take an issue with that. I don't think the story gonna end with whipping your ass. You cut my missing in the mitten just from getting some cash. I lost friends over nothing and still went through more. Sharper than the Ginsu sword, swagger at the Ginyu force. I've almost been a corpse, but stay hustling. If you get paid nothing at the end of the day, fuck this shit.
All right, y'all, so that'll be it for today's video. Leave in the comments how y'all like having the intake manifold painted, because to my knowledge, I'm the first one to do it. So in my opinion, this is a one-of-one engine bay mod, but I think it looks pretty cool. All right, y'all, so that'll be it for today's video. Make sure y'all go enter the giveaway. I'm gonna have the link to the video in the description down below. All you gotta do is comment good 6 in all caps, just like this right here. So without further ado, y'all, it's 36J, and I'm out. Bow.